Have you ever played a game and wondered if your life could change just by understanding your real-life character class? Today, I'll show you how the concept of your personality type as a character class, like in RPGs, can transform your personal growth journey. Whether you're battling procrastination at home or anxiety at work, uncovering your true character class can be the key to unlocking your epic destiny. You don't need to be a seasoned gamer to harness the powerful benefits of this metaphor for self-discovery. Through story-inspired strategies, I'll guide you on using your unique character traits to face life's challenges with newfound strength. Understanding character classes. Understanding your character class is the cornerstone of personal growth and self-discovery. Just like in RPGs, your character class in real life defines your core strengths, weaknesses, and potential paths for development. It's not about limiting yourself, but rather it's about recognizing your innate talents and how to best apply them to life's challenges. Hermione Granger from Harry Potter is an ESTJ, and the RPG model calls her class the Stabilizing Commander. The core aspect of her personality type, her dominant function, extroverted thinking, drives her to organize and structure the magical world around her, while her auxiliary function, introverted sensing, allows her to recall and apply learned information with precision. By understanding and embracing these functions, these different aspects of your personality type or of her personality type, she leveraged her intelligence and dedication to overcome obstacles that pure magical power alone couldn't solve. Imagine you're playing Dungeons and Dragons. You wouldn't send a wizard to the front lines, and you wouldn't send a barbarian to decipher some magical ancient runes. Similarly, in life, understanding your class helps you approach situations in a way that plays to your strengths. This self-awareness is the first step in leveling up your real-life character. Activating character class potential. Identifying your class is just the beginning. Activating it unlocks your true power. But how do you go from knowing to doing? Activating your character class potential means actively engaging with and developing your core strengths. Once you've identified your class, it's time to equip yourself with the right skills and mindset. This involves targeted practice, seeking out challenges that align with your strengths, and continuously pushing your boundaries. Look at Tony Stark from the Marvel Universe, a clear ENTP. His dominant function, the core of his personality type, is extroverted intuition, and it allows him to see endless possibilities and innovations, while his auxiliary function, the secondary aspect of his personality type, is introverted thinking. This helps him analyze and refine these ideas into workable solutions. He doesn't just realize that he was a tech genius class. He constantly pushes the boundaries of what his class could do, what he can do as a person, and evolves from building a simple suit in a cave to creating an AI that could protect the world or destroy it. Think of it like unlocking new abilities in a video game. You don't get better by simply knowing that you're a mage. You improve by casting spells, studying new ones, and facing increasingly difficult challenges. In real life, this translates to seeking out experiences and education that resonate with your core strengths, as well as stretches your personality type, using character class for sustained growth. So you've identified and activated your class, but how do you keep leveling up when the game of life keeps throwing new challenges at you? Using your character class for sustained growth involves strategically applying your strengths to navigate life's evolving challenges. This is about adapting your approach as you face new quests in life. It requires that you regularly reassess your skills, you seek out new power-ups, skills, resources, abilities, talents, allies, and sometimes even multi-classing to broaden your capabilities. Remember, it's not about becoming someone different, it's about expanding how you show up. Consider Aragorn from Lord of the Rings, an INFJ personality type. His dominant introverted intuition gives him a clear vision of the future and his role in it, while his auxiliary function, extroverted feeling, allows him to understand and lead others effectively. Essentially, he starts out as a ranger class of sorts, but as his journey progresses, he embraces his ability to organize and rally people as a king class too, an envoy, the ability to unify and bring people together. This evolution of his cognitive functions allows him to face increasingly complex challenges, from wilderness survival to leading armies and ruling kingdoms. Imagine you're playing a long-term campaign in an RPG. As you progress, you encounter new territories, tougher bosses, and complex storylines. To keep succeeding, you need to continuously upgrade your gear, learn new skills, and sometimes team up with others. Life works the same way. Your character class gives you a foundation, but sustained growth comes from constantly adapting and expanding your abilities. So that's how you can understand, activate, and leverage your character class for epic personal growth and transformation. But there's a secret level to this character class system that I haven't revealed yet. Your Myers-Briggs character class is actually made up of 8 different unique cognitive functions. Think of them as your special abilities and skill trees or mini personalities within the fellowship of your mind. Mastering these is like unlocking the ultimate power-up for your personal growth journey. So check out the video over there and I'll see you there.